Welcome to this quick video for users of the Chromperfect Chromatography data system. We regularly post new videos with useful user tips and training guides. If you found this useful, consider liking the video, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon so you are notified when we upload new videos. Our support team often get calls and emails from Chromperfect users requesting a user manual. For many years, we have not shipped a physical manual with our software systems. Instead, a digital library of manuals and other support documents are supplied and installed with your Chromperfect system. After you have installed Chromperfect, there will be two directories created on the main hard drive of your computer. This is normally Drive C. The program directory is titled Chromperfect. This is where the important system files are installed. Additionally, another data directory is created titled CPData. The data directory contains many useful elements such as example files and reports. It is also where many customers choose to store their own data collected from their Chromperfect system. It is within the data directory that you will find a subfolder titled Manuals. In here there is a complete set of Chromperfect manuals which include the installation manual. This deals with the various configurations of Chromperfect and how they can be installed. The main manual covers every topic you will need to understand how to operate your Chromperfect system. It also includes a useful chapter exploring the theory of chromatography. The workbook is a useful operational guide for new users and explores the main steps in setting up an effective chromatography workflow in terms of data acquisition, analysis, and reporting. There are also some useful addendums and specific articles within the manuals folder. The manuals are presented in PDF format. This means that you will need a PDF reader to view them. There are many free options available to download. One of the benefits that digital documents offer when compared to physical versions is that they are searchable. The clickable table of contents allows you to jump directly to the section of interest. Alternatively, you can enter specific keywords to scan through the entire manual. Another excellent source for useful information, tips, and support is our YouTube channel. We are continually uploading new content to our channel. Many of the chapters within the main manual have now been converted to video format. I would recommend that you review the playlist titled The Theory of Chromatography, which is split into 5 chapters. Each chapter is a deep dive into the academic principles of each topic and the steps and operation within Chromperfect. The Theory of Chromatography has been converted directly from the section within the main manual. I will provide a link in the description to this playlist. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel so you receive notifications when we upload new videos. For more information about Chromperfect, please visit our website at www.chromeperfect.com or call our team on 973-586-8551.